I started reading books, and it helped me a lot. And because whenever I read books, that time I found lots of vocabularies.
At that time, my exam, my exam was to be. Uh, Hello,
Hello everyone, I am
everyone.
Manjamshi.
I am Rehan.
So today we are here to share our English journey. So start.
I would like to speak first. I am going. I am going to talk about how did I improve my English language and my journey of improving my English language. When when I was in tenth class, at that time, uh, uh, I understood. At that time, my exam my exam was to be some question coming in exam, like how to write, how to essay write, how to letter writing, this type of question coming in the exam. Uh, but at that time I wasn't understanding, uh, because um, I wasn't understanding English. What is important? What is important English in our society, in our area, in our world? If I learn English, then uh, I can do something. At that time, one word coming in my mind, if I would practice, then I would write good, and 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 I have and I have practiced my English. I have practiced my English for 1 and 2 years, uh, and and I got to I got to on in this level now, and and but right now I speak little bit, uh, but right now I speak little bit. I speak slowly, but compare is better than that day, and that's why I am sure about. I am I am sure about this language. If I can speak English, then anyone person can speak English easily. Thank you for listening to me so patiently.
If I talk about my English journey, so my English journey was not easy for me because when I started learning English, so that time I thought that learning English is not my cup of tea and I cannot learn English ever. But then I started learning English, and I took so much time to understand basic things and some tense rules and structures. I but I improved these things, and I started books and it helped me a lot. And because whenever I read books, that time I found lots of vocabularies, and I I try to speak that vocabularies while talk to someone while communication. And in starting, I to learn English, I translated into English. So it was my journey. Lastly, I would like to say that English comes by speaking. So try to speak more and more.